what is the shape of space? I don't know. But today we're going to be exploring that question through artwork. We're going to be making a sculpture that follows hyperbolic space. Now, hyperbolic space is the idea that maybe great distances, vast distances through the universe follow a different set of rules than the things here on Earth. So on Earth, we use mostly Euclidean geometry. That was developed by a mathematician named Euclid in the year 300 BC. Over 2,300 years ago, it was formed as the type of geometry that pretty much explained everything on Earth. Scientists believed it as the only means for a long time until the theory of relativity by Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity changed the idea of what geometry could possibly be. So when we look at our sculptures today that we're going to be building, they're not going to follow Euclidean geometry. They're going to follow hyperbolic space geometry. And what that means is that they're going to have a negative curvature inside of each one of those curves. This might be something that you could find as light travels across the universe. It could be something within the black holes that exist in our universe. Euclidean geometry doesn't explain everything, so let's explore some hyperbolic space through the work of Frank Stella. For this one, you're going to need your pencil, 1 or 2 pieces of the thick cardstock, depending on if you want to make 1 or 2 Frank Stella hyperbolic space sculptures. If you make 2, you can stick them together. Need your brads, and you'll need your marker sets. So whatever markers you want to use for your sculpture. Start with the first one, draw a light circle, and then draw any type of line, probably 4 to 6 lines that go to the edge of the page. Very light. Those are your different areas. Now start to do patterns and designs on those areas. Now that you have this entire side, you can go ahead and cut your areas. Don't cut through the center circle. Now flip it over and do patterns on the other side as well. Once you have 2 sides colored and decorated, you're going to start to fold them in on one another and just play with what you might be able to do and bend and reveal the 2 different sides. When you know that you want to attach one piece to another piece, you're going to use one of these brads. What you will have to do is use a sharp pencil, put it on the piece of paper, hold it, and push through. Make sure your finger is not right behind it. When you have a hole, then you can feed one of the brads through the hole and through the hole of another side, attaching the 2 sides together. Then bend the brad ends down, securing that curvature into place. Go ahead, do the rest of them. When you finish with one, go ahead, do your other one as well. The more you do, the more that you can stack them up, balance them, and create a different sculpture that you can put on your wall or on a table somewhere. It can stand or be wall mounted.